Okay, this is a story that I go through all the time. It's 8:30 in the morning and I am overwhelmed looking at my own closet, feeling just stuck with all the choices that I have and feeling like I have nothing to wear with a closet full of clothes. This fun little thing called the paradox of choice. I've been on a decluttering journey for many years now, probably my entire life, because I keep accumulating things and then giving them away. But I still find myself facing this issue, and it's not the amount of clothes, it's the fact that I have too many clothes. I have previously spoken out against the capsule wardrobe, but there's one undeniable advantage: limited choice. It can make your decisions so much faster and easier. But today I'm going to discuss some go-to outfits for those days where you feel like you have nothing to wear and a closet full of clothes. It's a problem that I feel like all of us face. The one piece. Sundresses are perfect for those days that you really just lack inspiration and you don't want to spend too much time on deciding what to wear. It's perfect in cold weather because you can layer some really cute jackets, some tights, a scarf, whatever is gonna work for you in that outfit. If you wear it during a warm season, you can wear them with sandals. And for me, I love a good strappy sandals that kind of like are almost a high heel, and a very cute sundress. It's just a go-to chic look, and it also makes you look like you've put in a lot more effort than you actually have, which is the best kind of outfits. Alternatively, you can also throw in a cute jumpsuit to give it a very edgy kind of feel, but having something that you aren't really worried about styling and just something you kind of throw on is fantastic. Throw on a cute pair of shoes, some accessories. It's a fantastic outfit. It's a formula that never fails. I will link some of my go-to dresses down below, but I really do think you should try to find what works for you in your closet. Next, the monochromatic fit. There is a reason why monochromatic outfits are such a classic fashion choice. This color combination of one color allows you to really look effortlessly chic with really minimal effort, because all you need to do is pick one single color and wear different shades of it, or find a way to add in some textures. It's a style that not only makes getting ready much easier, but it always ensures that you look stylish and put together. It's super easy and simple, and it's always just so stunning, making it a reliable choice for any occasion, whether it's like a casual day out or if you're going to a more formal event. One of my favorite combinations is a black tube top and a black slip skirt. I feel like you can wear that at any point. Next, we have the wrong shoe theory. This is a theory and a style that has gained a lot of traction recently and is one of my favorites. I love the unexpected pairings of footwear, like strappy sandals with a pair of jeans, tall boots with the dress, or even tennis shoes with a suit. This theory allows you to wear what you own but break the conventional rules of fashion and create something really unique and personal. You make it really personalized to you. What's going to be very chic and stylish for me, it's not always gonna work for you. It's always stylish, it's always really trendy, and it's just something that's a lot of fun, because that's really what clothing and fashion should be. It's fun. It's a way to experiment different shoe options. You can transform a really simple outfit into something really extraordinary. Next is the vintage expired / the influence. As someone who's obsessed with fashion icons like Jane Birkin, Bianca Jagger, and Carolyn Bessette Kennedy, I often find myself channeling their styles and really feel like I'm really inspired by these very gorgeous women. I will just sometimes open my closet, look at what I have, and when I feel like I need inspiration, I will actually channel my go-to fashion icon and say, okay, what would they pick out to wear today? And I'll put that on. Do not hesitate to think about how they would style an outfit and give essentially someone else, outsource that mental energy to someone else. My dog has decided that right now is the perfect amount of time to get her a daily water intake and drink all of the water in her bowl. Come on. I feel like wearing white pants with a black dog's a terrible idea. This is really her YouTube channel, not mine. The vintage inspired. I have been obsessed with Jane Birkin, Bianca Jagger, and Carolyn Bessette Kennedy. Basically, since I was a child, I found myself really gravitating towards these styles, which I would like to describe as simultaneously really feminine and with a touch of masculine. And I really have loved looking into my closet and saying, okay, if I were, insert fashion icon here, some days I will just look in my closet and be like, okay, if I was Bianca Jagger, what would I be wearing? And I'll grab white pantsuits, or I will grab something really bold and floral and lace, or a bright red dress. Or I'll look at my Jane Birkin inspired days and be like, okay, it's going to be a white frilly blouse with a pair of jeans. Those are my go-to On the days I don't feel really inspired, I allow myself to be inspired by other people and kind of outsource the fashion inspiration. So I will channel my idols fashion-wise, and then I will have them pick out outfits for me. It's a small ritual that I do. It sounds really silly, but I have found that the days that I do that are days I get the most amount of compliments, and I think it's a really good way to outsource some of that mental effort. Just imagine someone else is picking it out for you. Last but not least is to find your formula. I have a formula. I feel like having some outfit formulas that really work for you are really important when it comes to building out your wardrobe. You want to know what's going to make you feel good, what's gonna make you look good, something that you could just throw on and it's reliable. For me, a lot of times that's like high-waisted trousers and a knit tank top like I'm wearing right now. It's something that we have decided to abandon because we have said, okay, you need a new outfit for every Instagram post. Do not be hesitant to rewear things. Rewearing things is super important. I mentioned Jane Birkin earlier. She wore the same basket bag until her ex-husband ran it over, which is why he's her ex-husband. But she had a formula. She had what made her feel good. There are several photos of her wearing the exact same bag every single day and probably the same dresses. I'm not 100% sure. But she has found ways to rewear things, and instead of it becoming like oh, she's rewearing something, it was, oh, that's so Jane Birkin. Have your formulas then. Having go-to formulas is actually a fantastic way of just making sure that your outfits are perfectly polished and put together. It's a really good way to have a good sense of who you are. A lot of what you wear should reflect who you are and how you feel. Have your formulas, take some time to figure out, okay, on the days that I feel the most confidence and the best about my wardrobe, I see this trend. And once you find that trend, or once you see that overwhelming like hypothesis in your wardrobe, you're able to put together better outfits and shop much more mindfully. Having formulas, wearing something vintage inspired, or having something different or something classic are really good ways to wear a really good outfit, and it can be the same thing over and over and over again. I hope this makes getting ready in the morning much easier for you. I'm not a morning person, so I find that I have to do these things to like get out the door in time, because if you allow me to just look in my closet and be like, what do I feel like today? I will be standing in front of my closet forever. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Stay stylish, and I'll see you at the next video.